Hello everyone. Today we will learn Gayatri Mantram. First I'll play, then after that I'll teach you. Swaras are very easy, so let us learn first. Om Bhurvasvaha Da Padasada. Here Daivatam, Da is we are taking Chatushriti Daivatamu. Da starting with Daivatam only. Da Padasada. Om Bhurvasvaha Tatsaviturva Da once again, Om Bhurvasvaha Tatsaviturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Bhargo Deva Ma Papa Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dama Papa. Once again, Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Ma Papa Dama Papa Dhiyo Yo Na Prachodayat Mama Pada Mama Pada. Just press it. Mama Pada Papa Mama. Once again. Om Bhurvasvaha Tatsaviturvarenyam Da Parasada Da Sada Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Ma Papa Dama Papa Dhiyo Yo Na Prachodayat Mama Pada Papa Mama. And next variation is Om Bhurvasvaha Om Bhurvasvaha Om Bhurvasvaha Sa Ri Ri Om Bhurvasvaha Tatsaviturvarenyam Tatsaviturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Tada Sada Papa Dhiyo Yo Na Prachodayat. Dhiyo Yo Na Prachodayat, same swaram. Second star observe once again. Om Bhurvasvaha Sa Ri Ri Tatsaviturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yo Na Prachodayat. Total I'll play. First take down the notes from the description box, then give back to me. Om Bhurvasvaha Tatsaviturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yo Na Prachodayat. Om Bhurvasvaha Tatsaviturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yo Na Prachodayat. Om Bhurvasvaha देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो न प्रचोदयात् ॐ भूर्भुवः स्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो न प्रचोदयात्. Hope you learned it and you enjoyed it. Gayatri Mantra is very much famous. Daily at least 3 times or 5 times or 9 times. If we just pray this Gayatri Mantra, our concentration levels will increase a lot. We will not have any negativity. You will not find any kind of negative thoughts in your mind. So you will be very peaceful. Try this Gayatri Mantra, play it daily and sing daily. So music is our gift. So keep in touch with me for more talks, for more videos. Stay blessed. Good luck. Keep in touch.